Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you a simple trick how you can fix the slow downloads in the Opera web browser really quickly, be it on your PC or on your laptop. So drop a like and now let us get started. So what you want to do in the first step is launch the Opera web browser, of course, and access your accounts or browser settings. To access your browser settings, simply click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your home screen where it says Easy Setup here. And from the drop-down menu here, select Go to Full Browser Settings at the very bottom. This is going to take you to your browser settings. So what you want to do, guys, is take a look at that uppermost section here, Privacy Protection. And below that, you will see a feature called Block Ads and Surf the Web up to 3 times faster. So what you want to do, guys, is simply enable that by switching it on here to the right. And that is going to open up that follow-up menu here below. So you may customize these settings as you like. For instance, allow acceptable ads or manage lists with exceptions, etc, etc. However, guys, doing that is quite optional. All you need to do to increase your browser's performance, including its download speed, is make sure that that option here is turned on. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you do it. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.